Hi guys, so I just wanted to take this opportunity to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my recent uploads. Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. Did you miss me?
Did you miss me?
Hi guys, Osa here and welcome back to my channel. So I have some sad news. Jane Carter Solutions decided that they're going to discontinue my favorite heat protectant. I mean, I've been talking about this heat protectant on my channel, I feel like since my channel has existed. And yeah, I'm just really sad and I'm really disappointed to hear that they're going to discontinue their product. Maybe they're coming out with something better. I do want to give them the benefit of the doubt. I do really like the company a lot, so I'm not saying that I'm leaving. What I'm saying is, if I can't find another heat protectant like this one in your product, in your underneath your brand, then that means that I'm going to have to go somewhere else to find that. You know, the solution that they're giving to people is to buy a leave-in conditioner, one of their leave-in conditioners, and mix it with some oils. And here's the thing about that. I kind of feel like if I had something that was working for me and I only had to buy one product, I'm not going to now come to your company and buy two products that you say will give me the same results. That's just not what I'm about to do. So what's probably going to happen is I'm going to just have to look elsewhere for something that's going to give me the same results that this has been giving me. So, you know, it sucks because I'm such a creature of habit. If I love something, I'm sticking with it. Like, you guys have been on my channel, you know, I don't really talk very much about any other products unless it actually works on my hair, and I literally make a video showing you guys that. So this product, thank God, I bought it on bulk, so I still have, I think, maybe another bottle of this left. So I'm down to, you know, about 2.5 bottles, and that'll get me through, you know, at least another year and a half. So, because I don't blow dry my hair and I don't wash my hair that often, so I feel like I'm okay. I'll have more than enough time to find something else that's on the market that caters to type 4 hair. But Jane Carter Solutions, if you are listening, here's my disappointment around this issue. So I've been making videos about your products for free for years, and I did it because I wanted to. I did it because I wanted for type 4C hair women to have something in their repertoire that actually works, and that's actually like geared towards our hair. And I've had a lot of success with this. Obviously, I'm not saying that you had to reach out to me or any other, like, you know, vloggers that are on here. I have a small channel and I don't expect for you to know about me or know about my videos or anything like that. However, I would have loved for you to reach out to me, any other 4C hair vlogger with a bigger name, with a bigger platform, to advertise your products. Like, literally, I've been telling people for years how well this product works on type 4 hair, and crickets. You know, you never did a campaign to advertise towards black women. I know your brand does come across as something for mixed and biracial women, which is no problem. You can still have products that will work for black women, just like, you know, how Shea Moisture is reaching out to other companies to, excuse me, not other companies, just like how Shea Moisture has a wide range of who can use their products. You know, I just felt like, before discontinuing a product, like, really reach out to people to figure out, like, how does this work on anybody else's hair? It can't just be, oh, sales are low. Yeah, sales are low because maybe biracial women, this is not working for them. If I've been doing videos about this and telling people how it works so well on type 4 hair, I just would have expected for you to at some point have done a campaign for black women, especially, to, you know, raise the awareness on your brand that you do cater to, you know, type 4 hair, you know, because that's what would have really driven your sales. That's what would have really promoted your brand to, you know, other groups. But, you know, that's water under the bridge. Here we are. You're discontinuing the product. I'm sad about that. I hope I can find something else within your line, because I do like what you stand for and I do like what your company is all about. However, I'm not going to spend my money on products that don't work for my hair. So I already showed you how to wash and blow dry your hair. My next video is going to be about deep conditioning, how to basically nurse your hair back to health. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry that I had a little bit of a rant in there, but I am so disappointed that this product is going to be discontinue, but that such is life. Nothing lasts forever. All right, guys, I'll talk to you soon. I love you, and bye.